My lord,
How many petitioners are
my lord,
there?
there are 276 writ petitioners.
74.
Sorry, 24.
What is the prayer?
7. My lord, my lord, in the primary school, there are two categories as far as the pay is concerned. One is known for the trained category, which is commonly said as a category. Another is a non-trained. The bone of contention was all the petitioners before your lordship, my lord, they are having the degree of B.Ed, not the DLed.
DLed.
Now, this point went up to the Honorable Supreme Court and thereafter, my lord, before the Honorable Division Bench, because on certain issue that what category they would be getting. On 30th of July, my lord, our Honorable Division Bench, my lord, clarified this on the basis of one memo and report being filed by the state. There, the Division Bench found two things. Firstly, that more than 3,000 persons who are identically situated, identically means they also have the B.Ed and they are also required to do a breach course. Now, breach course, the logistics and everything to be done and provided by the state, they are yet to provide. They are willing to do that. Now, point is, because the state is yet to provide that logistics of the breach course, should we be considered as non-trained? And if we are considered as not non-trained, then are we not entitled to get the A category? In that context, a detailed report was sought. The Honorable Division Bench found that state is actually paying more than 3,000. There is a specific number.
446.
Yes, 446 persons identically situated. They are providing the A category. Even I could see that also in our very advertisement, it was mentioned about the A category. All I am praying that, my lord, at annexure P18, there is a detailed representations.
Let it be considered.
In the light of the Division Bench judgment.
Yes. And that is the order also of the court.
Yes, yes.
Independently.
But only thing the Division Bench, my lord, I also appeared before the Honorable Division Bench. The Honorable Division Bench at that point of time confined the relief to the appellants. So as a result, just because we were there at that point of time. Lordship, may kindly straightway see 479.
Yes.
Kindly see, my lord, from the bottom, last but one paragraph. Since we found the act of discrimination being patent on the basis of the disclosure made in the report, that's the report I was referring. The order impugn needs to be modified to the extent that the appellant shall be provided A category scale of pay in the same manner that of said 3,446 candidates, and the authority shall take an independent decisions in granting the said scale of pay from the date on which each of the appellants are entitled to. Lordship may also see the last next page. First paragraph, a right to get A category scale of pay shall not be treated as this part. With that, automatically it may not be given because it was only to the appellants. The last paragraph. For the abundant caution, it is hereby made clear that the authorities, while granting the A category scale of pay, shall adhere the parity with 3,446 number of teachers. And if it is found that they stand on the same footing, the direction made herein shall be implemented. The only distinguishing feature with them and us is that they are from North 24 Parganas and we are from Howrah. So basically, it is not a distinguishing feature. Everything is same. Our representation is P18, starting from page 481, but there are long names, effective starting 492.
How many court fees have you paid?
My lord, I inquired. I was told one. Kindly give me leave so that he pays.
Should I keep it for the next day, you pay the court fees and come, or should I dispose it off
Lord,
here?
you kindly dispose it off and give me a relaxing time about কদিন সময় নেবে pay করতে?
Today is Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday.
Till Friday?
Well, he
Or
was
you want
asking for 5-6 days. Lordship, grant me 7 days.
7 days time?
Yes.
If it
And
is not
in default, kindly put some clause. Of course.
The petitioners are primary school teachers. Stop. They have acquired the
only one thing. it should be directed to respondent number 2.
Who is the respondent
By
number?
the state.
1 করে নাও দাদা,
2 or 1.
বড় one.
Because
2 is the additional secretary, elementary education.
Lordship may make it then 1 and 2, both. Because it should not be by the council, because the matter of money, council
Money
itself.
cannot, council
Yes,
cannot
yes, that's
do
it.
it.
No, not only money, but my lord, there is a my lord.
Why the district inspector of schools will not be able to do it?
No, I tell your lordship why not. Because your lordship has seen the my lord order of the division bench. Where
What
the
does it
division
say?
bench has said,
Additional secretary to identify and communicate the petitioners the names
for
of
the
the
addition of, my lord, the parity. Whether they are,
ঠিক আছে, yes.
that is why my lord it should be my lord the 1 or 2.
Did the division bench specify which authority?
My lord, the report was sought not
Sought
from the
by the
council.
government.
It was from the state. Learned Advocate General appeared. It took
Yes.
some times, and thereafter this direction was met. So it was to the state.
Then let the secretary take a decision.
Yes, yes.
Why will the additional secretary be burdened
Yes,
with all
correct,
these
correct,
things?
correct.
The petitioners acquired the qualification of B.Ed.
Yes.
Stuff. They seek a category scale of pay similar to that as the teachers who acquired DLED qualification. Stuff. Reliance has been placed on the judgment passed by the Honorable Division Bench of this court.
The page 475.
In MAT 1038 of 2024 with CAN 1, 2 and CAN 3 of 2024, Waliur Rahman and others versus the state of West Bengal and others.
Could your lordship also indicate the other? There was another mat at page 475.
My lord, your lordship
in
kindly direct respondent number 2. Hey, sorry, my lord. Serial number 2. Additional secretary. You will be appropriate person.
Because that was my instruction also, that he is
Because he is the secretary elementary education. That is.
Tell me 470 and 475, it's the same direction I see.
Yes, 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 same. It's effectively, my lord,
Judgment dated.
only
30th July
475. They are originally not
2024.
parties. There was a leave application.
And the order dated 30th of July 2024 in MAT 1298 of 2024, comma, and others. Stuff. It has been submitted that the writ petition.
42, your lordship. My the last paragraph. Page 42. My lord, it appears from the submission made on behalf of the parties that different DPSC in the state are adopting diverse stands. Some of the councils are accepting the DLED diploma by NIOS as sufficient training for teaching in the primary schools and are given consequent benefit of A category scale of pay, whereas there are other DPSCs who are not recognizing the training qualification obtaining from the NIOS in the 18-month course. The aforesaid stand by the. My lord, this was the exact issue before your lordship. Now, your lordship, my lord, your lordship, kindly, my lord, come to the next page. My lord, I am skipping over, my lord, the last part, my lord, 2 paragraph. My lord, in the instant case, the petitioners completed their course prior to 1st April 2019 in terms of the order passed by MHRD. There are several teachers in the primary schools who are yet to obtain the training. The authority ought to ensure all the primary teachers obtaining the training in terms of the guidelines that have been framed by the NCT. In the instant case, the petitioners have obtained DLED training from the NIOS. My lord, exactly, my lord, I am also, my lord, we have also the, my lord, training from NIOS, 1st April 2019. Accordingly, they may not be directed to obtain further training The training of the petitioner should be considered enough for teaching in the primary school, more so because some of the councils have already accepted such training, treated such candidate as trained one. It is made clear. My lord, it is made clear that whereas or not petitioner will be entitled to A category scale of pay within 18 months NIUS DLED ODL mode. Training is not being adjudicated in the instant writ application. It will be open for the petitioner to approach the appropriate forum for the further release. So advised. My lord, my prayer is, my lord, twofold of my prayer, my lord. Now, first of all, my lord, because of this dispute, my lord, some of the council accepted, some have not accepted. My lord, we are applied for.
A category.
No, my lord, for the training.
All right, for training.
But after this order, my lord, our training is not required. After this order from passed by this honorable, passed by your lordship, my lord, our training is not required. My lord, this, my lord, prayer, and the second prayer is, my lord, the A category scale of pay.
No, A category has to be decided whether you will get or not. That has not been decided.
No, my lord, I am praying here, my lord, because I have the, if I have the training, my lord, NIUS, my lord, the
In that
DLED
case,
training,
they will file opposition.
my lord, here, my lord, the absolutely question of law, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, why this order has been passed by your lordship? Because of that, my lord knows that, my lord, 2009 recruitment process, many of untrained teachers has been, my lord, in case of Malda, my lord, they are not undergoing the training because of NIUS and our South 24 Pargana. Then your lordship asks for a clarification for Commissioner of School Education. Thereafter, this order. My lord, regarding the prayer of the petitioner regarding the going to the training has already been decided by your lordship. Regarding the second part, A category, my lord, is left open to be decided by adjudicating authority. My lord, may I pray before your lordship, my lord, kindly relegate these matters to the Commissioner of School Education, because, my lord, once it has been decided that they are entitled for the A category scale of pay, and if the commissioner is held in his favor, but in favor of the candidates, my lord, the
Then the
rest of
issue can be resolved.
any council can follow the same.
Follow. Yes.
My lord, let it.
My lord, may I, my lord, answer to this, my lord? My lord,
regarding one part, he is accepting the order of the court.
My lord,
Regarding
both the
second
part I am
part,
accepting.
my lord, he wants to decide by this honorable court.
My lord, if I accept the first part, the second part automatically, my lord. If I am a trained candidate,
Second part
my lord,
is
your lordship,
left open.
my lord, I tell you, lordship, kindly appreciate, my lord, for the time being. My lord, if the government says, my lord, this I couldn't, my lord, I ought not to have, my lord, or I should not, my lord, undergone the training of 2 years because I am trained candidate. If I am trained, my lord, I am entitled to a category scale of pay.
That is the corollary. But
Absolutely, my lord.
if you are
one
trained,
accepted, the second is automatically entitled.
I
My lord,
have
the
followed
government
it.
is appearing here. Your lordship can ask my lord to file a report before your lordship. This
That can be done.
writ petition also, my lord, disposed of by asking the report from the government authority. For the government.
My lord, remember that my lord asked for a report for the Commissioner of School Education.
Yes, that was regarding the training.
Discrepancy.
Now, yes, discrepancy. Now a report has to be called whether A category can be given to them or
one
not.
matter can be relegated and
My lord, there also
the
no
decision
prayer.
can be placed.
I have made a specific prayer over here, my lord, in this writ petition, your lordship.
Well, I think, my lord, in that case
The
also there is a
government, my
prayer.
lord,
I think, my lord. And if your lordship is kept open this issue,
Did you apply for A category scale?
my lord is
Yes.
apply.
Where?